Okay, this is a short video to show how to do the stitching, how to stitch together the faux leather. You need the thread to be about 3 or 4 lengths of the stitching you're going to do. Doesn't have to be exact. And then you've got to attach a needle to both ends. First of all, thread the polyester thread through the eye of the needle, and then very carefully singe the end, which you'll see the purpose of it in a minute. And then I'm going to poke the point of the needle through the thread quite close to that where that singed end is. So you see, I'm just kind of stabbing it through there. There we go. So that's through, and then when you pull that through, that attaches it. Okay, now the first thing is to make sure that your holes are matched up together. So I've done one side, but the other side seems to have shifted slightly, so I'm just making sure that the holes match up. I'm clamping it in, could be any of the vices or anything that kind of holds it together firmly for you. Then get your thread, and now I've put a needle on both ends. This is really important, and start from the end where it needs to be strongest. So in this case I'm kind of doing a pouch, and the open end is, I think, where most of the force is going to be. So I've got needle on both ends, then poke it through. This is called a saddle stitch. Go through like that, and then with the other needle you go the other way through the second hole. Well, pull it tight and then continue. I think the key here is to make sure that you always do the same, and then you'll get your stitches all looking neat and the same. So there you go, pull that tight, and it's relatively quick once you get the hang of it. Now I just chose random coloured leather and random coloured thread, but that could be part of one of your design decisions, is what colour you're going to use. Okay, I'm not going to show you all of it, but basically just carry on, and that's what it should look like. The one at the top here, I've done staggered stitching. The one at the bottom is just holes in a straight line. So I'm coming to the end now, and it's you see it hasn't taken me too long. I'm just doing the last couple of holes, just trying to keep it consistent. Okay, and I'm going to go up to the end, and then what you have to do is you have to double back again a couple of holes. So I think I'm going to go right to the very end, and there we go. Now this part of the kind of pouch that I made here is really close to the fold, so it's not going to receive too much kind of pulling apart and force, so that's why I've decided to end it there. So you go back a couple of times, so through the previous hole again. The hole's getting quite full up with cotton, and then the next one, and that should be enough. It's not going to go, you could go further, but I think 2 holes is enough. Then you need to just cut the excess cotton off. Now you can see if that was any shorter, that would have been almost impossible to do. Okay, and then use a candle or a match to singe the end. So I'm going to use a match here. Now it's important to put the flame above the leather and not underneath it, because you're going to singe the whole thing. So like that. I think I did a bit, but I didn't quite do enough, so a little bit more would have been even better. Okay, but you get the idea. But so that the flame needs to be above it.